This is Kayak DIY, and this is shark fishing from my plastic boat. Check it out. Look at this puppy. We're gonna let him go though. This is Solo Skiff. Today we're going shark fishing. We got the light skiff, and my buddy Sean over here, Red Dog Lures, he has the Solo Skiff. So I got a 6-horse Yamaha, some rods, got an e-propulsion. I got the auto boat system for my trolling motor, and we're gonna see what we can get. Wish us luck. So right now we're underway. We're on the light skiff right now with a 6-horse outboard, and we got the auto boat system up in the front attached to a Riptide 45. So that's our GPS motor, the auto boat. We got a shark rod, another large game rod, and then a smaller like trout redfish rod. So we're gonna see what we can get. My buddy is back there on the Solo Skiff. So I've had the Solo Skiff for a while. You guys haven't seen it. And yeah, he's on that actually before I have. I haven't even been on it. He's been on it before I have. So he's using the e-propulsion motor. And we'll see that in action here soon. Nice. Heck yeah. Got it. Wait, no, he's still on?
Yep, see him? You see him?
Yeah! Whew. Oh man.
Okay.
You got it?
I got it.
You got it?
I got it.
Oh,
Pictures, right?
hell yeah. Oh, nice. We got Red Dog here, Sean, catching a shark on the Solo Skiff with the e-propulsion motor. Heck yeah, just what we came out for. Hey folks, so right now I am on the light skiff, and I have one of my shark rods here. I got one of my shark rods over there, which is that big Penn spin fisher. And we're running baits out right there from that point. So right about there are the baits, and we're just dragging them and drifting them along this mangrove area. And then what I am doing is I have auto boat, which is a GPS adapter system attached to the trolling motor, and it gives this GPS, or it gives this motor GPS. So I'm running this on my hip right here. This is the remote, and then I can control this tiller 5-speed motor. This is a basic tiller 5-speed Minn Kota motor. It's the Riptide 45, and I'm able to control it with the remote. And that way I can stay off of these mangroves, because I don't want to be in the mangroves. I just want to be running alongside the mangroves, and I want to drift these baits. We just got one shark in the bag, so we're doing pretty good. So right now, Autoboat's been holding me in position the whole time. So that's been working out really well. This is their latest firmware, latest updates on their app, everything. I just have the remote right here in my pocket. So, right there's the remote. Just set that right in there for a second. Grab our shark rod. Ooh, we got a seaweed monster. That's nice and yummy. The shark's not gonna eat that. Sharks don't eat salads. I might have to talk to Sean. We might have to float this somehow. Keep it from drifting into the grass. Well, it's good to know that there's that much grass there. That means we're in the right spot for everything else. Just not for drifting this bait very easily. One of my favorite settings on the auto boat is nav point heading, and that lets me just hold a straight line. So right now I'm running basically parallel to these mangroves. I'm going at a low speed and I'm just fishing the mangroves. That's what I'm doing. So it lets me scan a large area without having to basically mess with the motor. All I have to do is just hit the N on the remote and I'm good. Also, what I can do is if I have a long stretch of these mangroves, I can end up going into the app and I can plot out a route here, and then I can have Autoboat follow that route. If for any reason I'm on nav point heading and there is an obstacle ahead, I can end up jogging left or jogging right based on, you know, where that obstacle is and which way I want to go. So the whole entire system is designed to keep your hands on the rod and not have to be playing around with the motor. Now I'm just manually controlling the motor to send it where I want to go. So I want to come around this bend here. Here's where Sean, or Red Dog, is. Hey, you hooked up, Stiller? So I have custom gain settings on this because this is a smaller boat. I don't want this thing just ripping me out and then throwing me off the boat. So I have it where, like in anchor mode, it doesn't full throttle just like turn it and throw me out of the boat, which is very important. So in the app, you can actually dial the custom gain settings on the motor. And you can have the remote, the physical remote, and your smartphone remote. You can have them connected at the same time. Oh. Come on, big boy. Oh yeah, we got him good there too. The angle I want on you, buddy. There you go. Got him? Got him. Yeah! This is Kayak DIY, and this is shark fishing from my plastic boat. Check it out. Look at this puppy. We're gonna let him go though. Be free. The Autoboat system and this 100 amp hour battery with this motor, man, it was amazing. I ran this thing all day. I barely ran the Yamaha. When you start lifting these 6-horse Yamahas in and out of trucks, you start appreciating the e-propulsion motor. Comment below if I laid that down the wrong way. I don't have the owner's manual anymore and I can't remember. I think it's handle down. I'd have to open up the cowling to be able to double check. Hopefully I didn't jack it up. I gotta get this over there. Okay, so we're charging the e-propulsion motor again. We had only used about half of the e-propulsion battery. So when Sean got back with the solo skiff after we had gone all over, buzzed to different islands, caught several shark, you name it, he had only used about half of the battery. So that's pretty awesome. That thing is definitely getting more and more love the more I use it.